Good morning, all of you. The continuation of last class. Linear equation, one variable. See, for example, examples. 4 times of a number are reduced by 5. 4 times of a number reduced by 5 equals to 19. Equals to 19. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. Therefore, 4 times of a number is equal to. A number is equal to x. A number is equal to x. 4 times of a number. 4 times of a number. 4 times of a number is equal to 4x. 4 times of a number is equal to 4x. Therefore, 4 times of a number reduced by 5. 4 times of a number. 4 times of a number reduced by 5. That means 4x minus 5 equals to 90. Equals to 90. It means therefore 4x is equal to 19 plus 5. Minus 5 transfer to right side. Therefore sign will be changed. Therefore 24 is equal to 24. Sorry, 2x is equal to 24. 2x is equal to 24. Sorry, 4x. 4x is equal to 19 plus 5 is equal to 24. Therefore, x is equal to 24 by 4. Therefore, 6. X is equal to 6. What a number? 6. Therefore, a number is 6. Therefore, C. This is x is equal to, find the x value, find the number, therefore x 24, like that. See here is second, the length of a rectangle shaped park. The length of a rectangle shaped park. Rectangle shaped park means this is rectangle. Then length and breadth. This is length, this is breadth. Therefore, the length of the rectangle shaped park exceeds its breadth by 17. Exceeds with breadth by 17. Exceeds means see breadth by 17. Therefore, this means x. This means x plus 17. Therefore, for example, breadth means breadth is equal to x. Breadth is equal to x. The length of the rectangle shaped park exceeds its breadth by 17. Therefore, the length of rectangle shaped park exceeds breadth by 17. Therefore, for example, let us take breadth is x. Therefore, length is exceeds breadth by 17. Therefore, x plus 17. X plus 17. Therefore, b is equal to x. Therefore, L is equal to x plus 17. Therefore, if the perimeter of the park, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to perimeter of rectangle is equal to, what is the formula? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. See, therefore, 2, what is 2? 2. What is L? Therefore, x plus 17 plus what is bx? What is mean? Therefore, 2 into x plus x, 2x plus 17. That means the multiplication 2. The bracket broke. Therefore, 2 into 2, 4x plus 2, 17 is 34. 2 17 is 34. Okay, right. If the perimeter of the park is 178 meters, perimeter of the park is equal to, perimeter of park is equal to 178. What is the perimeter of the park? Therefore, 4x plus 34 is equal to 178. See, here is 178, means therefore 4x is equal to 178. The 34 transfer to right side, minus 34. Therefore 8 minus 4, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 144. Therefore 4x is equal to 144. Therefore x is equal to 144 by 4. That means 72 by 2. That means x is equal to 36. X is equal to 36. Therefore x means breadth. Breadth is equal to 36. Therefore length is equal to x plus 34. See, x plus 17. X plus 17. That means 36 plus 37. Therefore 73. That means length is equal to 73. 73. This means. See example third. Two supplementary angles differ by 34. Two supplementary angles differ by 34. Find the angles. Find the angles. What is the supplementary? Sum of two angles is equal to 180. Sum of two angles is equal to 180. The supplementary means here differ by 34. Differ by 34. Here is bigger angle. Therefore, small angle is equal to x. Small angle is equal to x. At the same time, differ by 34 means bigger angle is equal to x plus 34. X plus 34. Bigger angle is equal to x plus 34. What is the supplementary? The supplementary means sum of two angles is equal to 180. Sum of two angles is equal, for example, x plus y is equal to 180. That means supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. At the same time, what is the sum of this is small and big. Small plus big. Small angle plus big angle is equal to 180. Small angle, what is meaning of small angle? X plus big angle is equal to x plus 34. X plus 34. That means see sorry for the additional. See, here is mistake. This 17. Therefore 40, 53. Like this. See, right. Therefore x plus 34 is equal to 180. X plus 34 is equal to 180. Therefore x plus x 2x. 2x is equal to, therefore 180 minus 34 transfer to right side before sign will be changed. This is 46, 146. 180 minus 34 is equal to 146. Therefore 2x. Therefore x is equal to 146 divided by 2. 146 divided by 2. What is 73? Therefore x is equal to 2 1s, 2 7s, 2 3s. X is equal to 73. X is equal to 73. At the same time, see, here means therefore x is equal to 73. Once check, therefore x plus the 34 180. This means bigger angle, this means smaller angle. This means bigger angle, this means smaller angle. Therefore smaller angle means 73, bigger angle means 100, 107. Therefore small angle is equal to 73. Small angle is equal to 73. Bigger angle is equal to, therefore 73 plus 34, that means 100, 107. 107. Therefore 107 plus 73, 180. Therefore supplementary angles is equal to 180. Therefore supplementary angles is equal. Therefore smaller angle is equal to 73. Bigger angle is equal to 107. See, the present age of the Vijaya's mothers is 4 times the present age of the Vijaya. See, after 6 years, the sum of their ages will be the 62 years. 62 years. Find the present ages. Find their present ages. The present age of the Vijaya's mother is 4 times the present age of the Vijaya. Therefore, present age of the Vijaya. Present age of Vijaya. Present age of Vijaya, let us take x. The present age of the Vijaya's mother is 4 times the present age of Vijaya. Therefore, the present age of the Vijaya is X. At the same time, the age of Vijaya's mother. Vijaya's mother is 4 times. Compared to Vijaya's mother is 4 times. Vijaya's mother is 4 times. 4 times. See, after 6 years, sum of their ages. After 6 years, sum of their ages. After 6 years. Therefore, after 6 years. After 6 years. After 6 years. What is after 6 years? See, after 6 years, the present age of Vijaya is X. The present age of Vijaya is X. After 6 years means, after 6 years, Vijaya's age is X plus 6. At the same age of the Vijaya's mother after 6 years. After 6 years, Vijaya's mother age is therefore 4x plus 6. 4x plus 6. At the same time, after 6 years, the sum of their ages. After 6 years, the sum of their ages. After 6 years, the sum of ages will be 62 years. 62 years. See, the sum of, therefore, x plus 6 plus 4x plus 6 is equal to 62. 62. Here, therefore, x plus 4x is equal to 5x. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 is equal to 62. See, at the same time, therefore, 5x is equal to 62 minus 12. The 12 transfer to right side, before sign will be changed, minus 12. That means 50. Therefore, 5x is equal to, therefore, x is equal to 50 by 5. Therefore, x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. Here see, x is equal to 10. What is the present age is? See, find the present age of find the present ages. Find the present ages means, therefore x is equal to 6. Therefore 4x is equal to, therefore 4 into 6 24. The present ages. Present ages. After 6 years, okay, right? Find their present ages are 6 and 24. 6 and 24. See, here is the Roman 1. Find the x in the following figures. Find the x in the following figures. Here, see the diagram. Therefore, 56x 123. 56x 123 here means, therefore, the vertices is, for example, you take A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. See here. Therefore, 56x means interior angle. Compared to 123, 56 and x is interior angles. At the same time, 123 means exterior angle. 123 means exterior angle. 123 degree means exterior angle. Exterior angle. Therefore, exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite angles. Sum of the opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to, therefore, interior of opposite sum of, therefore, this opposite. See, this means, that means, therefore, exterior angle is equal to, therefore, 123 is equal to sum of the opposite of two angles. Sum of the opposite of two angles. Sum of the opposite of angle, that means, therefore, x plus 56. Therefore, x is equal to 123 minus 56. 123 minus 56. Therefore, here is 123 56. Therefore 7 6 67. Therefore x is equal to 67. Therefore here means, therefore x is equal to 67. Here means x is equal to 67. At the same time, for example, see, therefore 56, this angle is 56, this angle is 67. What is this? Therefore, sum of three interior angles is equal to 180. Sum of three interior angles is equal to 180. Therefore, sum of three interior angles is equal to sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles is equal to 180. Already two angles are declared. Two angles are declared. What is two angles are therefore 56 plus 67. What is the angle y? For example, y you take y plus y is equal to 120 is 180. At the same time, see what is 123. 123. Therefore, y is equal. Therefore, 123 plus y is equal to 180. Therefore, y is equal to 180 minus 123. 180 minus 123 means 757. Y is equal to, here is this angle is equal to 57. This angle is equal to 57. Next, second. What is the second? Therefore, what is 6? PQR. PQR. Sum of three angles is equal to, sum of three interior angles is equal to 180. Sum of three interior angles is equal to 180. What is sum? Therefore, 45 plus, therefore 3x plus 16 plus 68 is equal to 180. Is equal to 180 here. Therefore, see 33x 45 plus 16 is equal to 61. 69, 129 is equal to 180, is equal to 180. 61, 69, 129, 129. Therefore 3x is equal to 180 minus 129. 180 minus 129. See, therefore 180 minus 129, 17551. Therefore 3x is equal to 51. Therefore x is equal to 3 1s 3 7s 3 7s. Therefore here is 45 declared, here is 68 declared. What is this? Therefore 3x plus 16 is equal to, what is x value? 3 into 17 plus 16. 17 plus 16. 51 plus 16, that means 67. This means 67. This means. See, third sum. What is sum? This angle is equal to 25, this angle is equal to 30, this angle is x. Find the x value, therefore A, B, C. Therefore, sum of three interior angles is equal to 180. Sum of three interior angles is equal to 180. At the same time, C, therefore x plus 25 plus 30 is equal to 180. Is equal to 180. Here, see, what is x value? Therefore, x plus 25 plus 30 is equal to 55 is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 180 minus 55. 180 minus 55. Therefore, x is equal to 125. X is equal to 125. Here means, here is the 128 is x is equal to 125. X is equal to 125. See, this is PQR. Whatever may be PQR. PQR here means side PQ is equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR. Therefore, two sides are equal, two angles are equal. Two sides are equal, two angles are equal. Therefore, PQ is equal to PR. At the same time, here, therefore, 2x plus 7 is equal to 45. Two sides are equal, two angles are equal. That means, therefore, 2x is equal to 45 minus 7. Therefore, 2x is equal to 38. Therefore, x is equal to 90. Therefore, at the same time, 2x plus 7. 2x plus 7 is equal to 2 into 19 plus 7. 2 into 19 plus 7. Therefore 38 plus 7, that means 45. This means 45. So no, here is 45 degree, here is 45 degree. Two sides are equal, two angles are equal. Two sides are equal, two angles are equal. That means here is fifth one. C, A, B, C, D, E. Therefore, AB parallel to D, AB parallel to D. Here means AB parallel to D, AB parallel to D. Here means AB parallel to D. At the same time, AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. Side AB is equal to BC. At the same time, DC is equal to D. Side DC is equal to D. Side E is equal to D. Therefore, AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. Similarly, therefore, angle C, angle A. Angle C is equal to angle A. Angle C is equal to angle A. At the same time, DC is equal to DE. DC is equal to DE. At the same time, here angle E is equal to this angle, angle C. C remains C. At the same time, two lines are parallel. Two lines are parallel. Two lines are parallel. At the same time, angle A is equal to angle E. Two lines are parallel. Angle A is equal to angle E. This means this like. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, two lines are parallel. At the same time, this angle is equal to this angle. Like that. At the same time, angle A is equal to angle E. Two lines are parallel. Angle A is equal to angle E. At the same time, what is angle A? Here means this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, angle A, what is angle A? Therefore, 3x plus 10. 3x plus 10. Already here is the, therefore, same plus 3x plus 10. Or sum of three interior angles is equal to 180. Therefore, 3x plus 10, 3x plus 10 plus 2x is equal to 180. Therefore, what is? Therefore, 8x plus 20 is equal to 180. Is equal to 180. At the same time, therefore, 8x is equal to 180 minus 20. Therefore, 8x is equal to 160. Therefore, x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. This means, therefore, 3 into 20 plus 3 into 20 plus 10, that is equal to 70. Therefore, x is equal to 20. 2 into 23 is 60. 60 plus 10, 70. Also, this is, what is the angle? X is equal to 20. Therefore, this angle is equal to 40. This angle is equal to 70. This angle also, this angle is equal to 70. 70 plus 70, 140. 140 plus 40, 180. Sum of three interior angles is equal to 180. This is the final.